You know those days when you just don't feel up to it at all, you know, runny nose day? Well, I've come to the pharmacy to pick something up to see if I can cheer myself up. The medicine has arrived, the Fujifilm X-T3. Let's get home, blow this nose and take a look inside. You know that point between excitement to just crack it open and see what's going on, and just that thing of not wanting to ruin something that's just so perfect. Well, it's not like vinyl, when collectors would buy 2 copies and keep at least 1 copy sealed for eternity. This is to be used. So let's see what's going on. European warranty booklet, a caution business. Aha, so talking about focusing the viewfinder. Inside we've got the usual pack. Worldwide network gubbins, another cautionary tale, interesting, and nice fat manual, and actually all of that is in English. Now I usually say I don't bother with the manuals, but at some point I will be pulling it off the shelf and having a little look over a coffee. Flip it open. Do you remember those X-Pro days where it was just, oh, it was so nice opening up a box from Fujifilm? Yeah, they've calmed it down and you've got this egg carton kind of thing, but nah, at least it keeps it. Should we open it just yet? It feels chunky, you know. Feels, something about it feels a little bit chunky. Let me just put it to one side. Now I expect our cables are down here. Everything's nice, neat, well packed. We should have a W126 battery in here. Cool. Charger, UK plug. That's on there. That's better than my other charger with the silly big fat cable in it. And I'm thinking here we've got a Euro adapter. We're going to get that charged up. EFX8 flash, which frankly I'll never use. Strap looks nice, premium leather from what I can tell, with a little Fujifilm logo on it. And what we're actually here for is this. There you go. She's out the back. Such a nice feeling thing. I can feel the extra bit of chunk. Now we're going to look at this compared to the T2 in a video coming up soon. I can already feel, I mean obviously I've already had my hands on one, but this one is mine. Bought it from Wex. Managed to get 510 for my T20 plus the 200 cashback, which I'm about to apply for. So absolute bargain. Let's not go into how I'm feeling about that T20 going. I already found myself calling it my T20 yesterday talking to a friend. But anyway, yeah, we'll look at the comparisons, but there's a few obvious ones already. The eyepiece is definitely looking like it's out a little bit more, which is cool. Stop rubbing my nose on the screen, which is now a touch screen. Of course, we're still working with that kind of screen. Dials on the top feel real nice. They look a little bit more pronounced. This definitely more pronounced compared to the T1 obviously, but that wasn't a problem for me. Everything feels and looks nice. This remote port, is that new? I believe that's new. Feels new. I don't remember it, unless I just didn't pay any attention to it. Dual card slots. There should be some differences on this side, and there we go. Mic 3.5, headphone port. That's a big deal on this. USB-C, charging and transfer, HDMI. I'm really keen to see how it works out with the face detection when it comes to video. Might use it for pieces to camera. We'll see. Does it have the Canon-like face detection reliability? You know what I mean? I know a bunch of you hate this, but ta-da! One brand new sensor, literally brand new. Everything looks and feels like business as usual, but something, I don't know if it's the hype, but something just feels more solid, more ready to work with. First impressions, the medicine that I needed to cheer me up has definitely arrived, and it looks like this is going to be a real fun workhorse, or more than that. Thanks to Wex for looking after us and getting us this on launch. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see. We've got that poll running that's given me some great ideas and reinforce the ideas that I've already got noted down. There'll be videos about the autofocus, the low lights, the setup, menus, and just the general overall, is it worth itness? And like we said, versus the T2. Stay tuned for more.